on my lunch break from work. This is what I want to see. You guys will see very, very soon what this is. Let's see if there's any hints. Yeah, no hints, but it's for the Z. That's all I'll say for now. Let's go. Wing unboxing. Business is booming, guys. Measuring man and welcome to the vlog. What would you like to say for yourself?
I'm trying to be here. I want to go home.
You've been feeling like that all day. I was like, fuck this guy over here. That sucks.
I'm locking the. Those are cool too, but they don't fit good either. When they do the Impala one, it fits flush the hole. The 03 Impala, when they made it all the way through.
Hey, do you still have beer in your backyard?
Hello, mama.
Does anyone want a beer? Yeah, I want a shotgun one. Give me a shotgun one.
Bring me something in a shotgun.
3 weeks, kid, 3, yeah.
Oh, that one all the way through?
Yeah.
That, all three of them good. All right, y'all, we're in the Civ. We're on our way to go pick up some bolts from Eliseo for the spoiler, the wing. He's coming in clutch with some free bolts from his work. So I appreciate Sale. Yeah, so let's go get those bolts and see if we can fit the wing up right and not crash. All right, y'all, we're back with the hardware. This is where we stopped yesterday. The issue was that the hardware that comes with the wing is really short, and you have to like make it through the opposite side of the hatch. These are the holes we've left, and I'm gonna throw it in the garage because it's fucking hot, and then continue. So we'll be right back. A lot of Jimmy rigging later. It's money, guys. All right, so I'm gonna tell y'all how I did this, and it's definitely not the right way. Hold on, let me throw a hat on because I'm looking big. All right, so this is how I did it. My holes didn't necessarily line up the best. I got one on each side to line up, and the other ones were like barely off. So what I did is, well, before I did that, I put RTV around the holes that I made. So once the plastic came down and clamped down, it was gonna make a seal and I don't get water into my trunk or hatch, whatever. But what I did do was, so here are the holes. I only could get this one lined up. What I ended up doing, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, is I sent I sent self-tappers through the bottom into the actual base plastic of this, just so it can seal, because it was holding pretty tight with just those two, but just in case, so I put self-tappers on both these. Same way on this side. This one, I got the center one in, but I couldn't get these other two sides in, so self-tapper as well. And the fitment is pretty good. Online, I read hella horror stories about this thing, the Dura Flex Power WIng, but it sealed pretty decent. My boy August, shout out my boy August on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram up here. He hella helped me. That guy's a G. I'm not exactly sure where he's from, but he has a drift car, and that guy has hands. He could drive. Pretty much convinced me to go ahead and just get this wing. So I sent it, and he's been giving me a lot of tips, so I appreciate him. I'm probably just gonna send him this YouTube video. I'm not sure if he does YouTube. I'll probably figure it out. I'll put it up here. But that guy was a super big help. I appreciate you. I know you don't know me. We're only Instagram friends, but I do appreciate everything that you did help me with. And yeah, you're a super cool dude. I fucking appreciate you. More people like you in the car community need to be around, because without your guidance and you're just like, you motivated me to get it, obviously I wouldn't have done it. But yeah, came out fucking sick, dude. I know it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea. I do plan on wrapping the car. I know I said it's going to be a drift car, like a shit daily, but I don't drift, and I don't have enough friends that drift, so it's kind of like a bullshit ass thing. I'll go and slide, I don't give a fuck, but now it's kind of getting cleaner per se. But I do want to wrap it, and yeah, that's where we are right now. Like I said, I didn't do this the most professional way, but it's on there and it looks good and it's pretty sturdy. Let me show you guys. Like, this shit is not going anywhere, so yeah, it looks sick. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. I don't know what else this is going into, but whatever other shenanigans we got into. Appreciate everyone chilling. Appreciate you guys watching. If you guys like the video, comment, subscribe. Once again, big shout out to August. Peace.
That way, you know, both sides are really fucking pinned down to the hood, and you know, there's not gonna be much water getting in there. Even if there is, that's why we got the sealer in there. You can see it's pretty flush on both sides, and the angle is pretty even. You know, it's about a cock's length on both sides. So, well, my cock length, you know, I was a blessing in that department. So yeah, next step is gonna wash this bitch, and then we're gonna see if we can get a wrap sometime soon, and pull a lot of baddies. It's a wrap. Cut.